Alright, this is review 2-1 and 2-2 for algebraic reasoning. For test 1, where it's going to be transformations, and test 2 is going to be basically the analyzing. But here we go, real quick. For the given linear and quadratic functions, list the a, b, c, and d values, and then state the transformations. So just a quick reminder that it's y equals a parentheses b x minus c. The c you have to flip. And then it might be squared, it might not, but this is, you don't have to worry about that, but that's what makes it a quadratic, plus d. And remember, if there is no a or b, then they are 1. If there is no c or d value, then those are 0. You don't necessarily have to list them, but that's what they are. They don't do anything. So for number 1, you have an a value of 2, because it's outside the parentheses, and a d value of -6. So for the 2, that is a vertical stretch by 2. We're just referring to page 6 in your notes. I remind you that this is page 6 in your notes, and I would copy that for your note card. You need it. And then your d value shifts up or down. Since it's a negative, it shifts down. So shift down 6. Okay. Number 2, your f is 1/2 x plus 4, 1/3 x plus 4. Again, there's nothing in the parentheses, so this is just an a and a d value. So a equals 1/3 and d equals 4. And since a is less than 1, or between 1 and 0, I should say, it is a vertical shrink, or I'm sorry, we say compression in this book. Compression by 1/3. You can say 1/3 or 3, but it's 1/3. And then your d value shifts up or down since it's positive. It's shifting up 4. Alright. 3 and 4. Okay. 3 and 4. Remember, these ones are both quadratic, so this little squared up here, we don't have to worry about it. That's what makes it quadratic. So that's not really a transformation. That's just a, hey, what's what makes it what it is. So this one, you have 3 values. You have an a is a -1. B is still 1, so we don't have to worry about that. C is -2, because we have to flip the c value, and D is -4. So A, we don't necessarily do anything as A is 1, but since it's negative, that's a reflect across the y-axis. Your C value is -2, so that shifts. So it's a shift left 2. And your D is -4, so that's a shift down 4. Okay. And last but not least, this one only has 1. There's nothing out front, there's no C value, and there's no D value. So the only thing is, guys, a B equals 1/3. Okay, so it's horizontal, but remember, we got to flip all these things. Remember, we got to take the B value, and it says do 1 over B. What that basically just means flip your fraction, is all that means. So this is a horizontal stretch by, and then remember it says 1 over 1/3. Well, that's just, remember, you just flip that fraction, it becomes a 3. So by 3. Okay, that pretty much gives you all but one of the permutations for this. Alright, right there. So go ahead and try 5, 6, 7, and 8 on your own, see what you can do, and then come back and watch the video.